So yeah, we are about to eat our lasagna. Our lasagna. Move that over so y'all can see a little bit. Yeah. It is so tasty. So tasty. Which part do you like?
The whole thing. You see, the meats are mixed. The noodles are flavored. You taste the avocado cheese up in there.
Maybe so.
Now with the meat, said the noodles has flavor. And I like how you sauteed it, like smear it, like glaze it. And it became a beautiful little thing. You got a beautiful
So, beautiful people, I wish y'all could eat with us and taste with us. Unfortunately, all you can do is taste through the image. But I'll tell you for sure, it's enjoyable. No need to guess on that. Can y'all stop over there? Yeah. This. Y'all playing way too much. Here we go. And here about to make some lasagna. Going to place these noodles in there. Try not to have them sticking. All right, here we go. So we got the noodles that we setting out to cool down so that we can start with our pan of ingredients. What? What'd you say, Masali? What'd you say, girl?
No.
What'd you say?
You know what you said?
Anna.
Huh? I can't hear you. What'd you say? Nothing?
Tell her what you said to me.
Why are you laughing at her?
What did you say? Anna, let's do it with my butt.
Silly.
What in the world, girl? Hey, 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 hey.
Here we go.
See? Hey, hey. It's slanted.
There we go. So y'all can see what I'm doing.
Bum, 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 bum.
Bam, 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 bam.
Bum, bum, bum. Yay! It's slanted to the side a little bit.
I know the camera a little slanted. Y'all gonna have to deal with that for now. because I'm trying to hurry up. I can't just be doing a video. I have to be feeding people here soon. Everybody wants to eat.
Yes.
My noodles done broke up because I didn't lay them down as soon as I took them out. So let me hurry up.
Okay.
Put this on the in the sink. Woo. Leave your father alone and get out of there. Oh. Trying to hurry up.
Oh, you're getting it in like a. So right now, Mommy's making the yummy mixture of the
The
ragu
meat
sauce.
that goes into. We're gonna use some ragu.
Mm-hmm,
We're gonna use
mm-hmm.
the meat. We're gonna do it on the meat that's going into the lasagna.
Oh, that look good. Hey, don't do that.
Get from over there. Get from over there. Get from over my food. Stay away from my food. Don't go to this table no more. Girl, I'm about to, you know, she messing with them noodles, we done for. We ain't got no lasagna after that.
All right.
So, stay away from my table.
You want to be in your high chair, girl? So anyway, back to what we were saying. We're making the mixture. We add the ragu sauce.
Yeah.
We're gonna keep on mixing it throughout the meat to get our base.
Yeah.
Well, the noodles is the base, but like the food that's in it, the meat.
Yeah, and we need to get some basil.
King, I see you. Over
Stay
there.
away from my table. Don't put that up there. Get that off. Get it off.
Put it on the
Put
deep
this
freezer.
counter or the deep freezer.
Put it on the deep
Put it on
freezer.
the deep freezer. Get away from the table.
Mother,
Yeah.
you're short.
Oh, you all up in it, huh?
No, no. Yeah, it is.
I would have put in chives, but
It is?
when I'm pregnant, I can't take the smell of chives, so I'm not about to put that in there. You're supposed to be recording that pot. You all in my face.
Sorry.
I'm gonna mix some more of this up in here. Yeah.
Mix it up. Mix it up.
It's gonna be juicy when you eat this lasagna.
It
Some
was
people
juicy.
don't mix it in their meat. Some people just spread it over the top in layers. But I think you should be mixing it in your meat so that it can taste
Tastes
absolutely good. We'll add just a little bit of salt. Just a dab. Dab. So now it's done. It's hot. It's sizzling. All right. Done deal. Good. That's it. What?
I ate most of it.
So yeah, we are about to eat our lasagna. Our lasagna. Move that over so y'all can see a little bit. Yeah. It is so tasty. So tasty.
So tasty that the dogs want to eat it too.
So tasty. Really? Yana already done went in. Mother. Hers?
You got a beautiful slice.
Hmm?
Like, you can see those layers.
Yeah, Yana already done went in on hers. She over there waiting for me to have me do this thumbnail so that she can finish eating.
Yes.
Yeah.
The urge to eat. Wait for me. Ah. Those both be tripping.
This food do taste good though.
Like I said yesterday, it's a work of art.
Yeah. Which part do you like?
The whole thing. You see, the meat's all mixed. The noodles are flavored. You can taste the avocado cheese up in there.
Maybe so.
Now with the meat, said the noodles has flavor. And I like how you sauteed it, like smear it, like glaze it. And it became a beautiful little thing. You got a beautiful
So,
thing.
beautiful people, I wish y'all could eat with us and taste with us. Unfortunately, all you can do is taste through the image. But I'll tell you for sure, it's enjoyable. No need to guess on that.
You can just look at it and tell it's about to be good.
When my husband get home from work, he gonna go in. He gonna be eating this stuff all the way up.
Real good.
I'm gonna put y'all later. Thank y'all for watching this entire video. Check us out on the next cooking video. We definitely will be doing another one. Maybe we'll do like macaroni and cheese next time, or I'll show you my lasagna, something like that. Or I don't know. Maybe we'll think of something else to make, like chicken sandwiches with a twist.
Yeah.
Juicy chicken sandwiches.
Bye.